Welcome to our Teacher Tools Online with ExamView video training lessons. In this tutorial, we will learn how to export an assessment created with ExamView and then import it into the Google Classroom. As you can see here, I have already created my final exam for 4th grade Heritage Studies. Now I need to export this out and then import it into the Google Classroom. I'm going to go up to the top where it says File, Export, then make sure I select HTML option. You will notice that the title of the assessment matches the title that I created. Several things here. You want to make sure that you have Export as Test selected. If you want to show the test score to the students after they take the assessment, check this box. And then just put your name and then the email address in here. This is the email address that at the end of the assessment, when the students take, will come to you. And then simply click OK. Up here, you want to name, once again, the assessment, and then click Save. As you can see here, I created a folder called Exported Assessments, just to make it easier to find the saved assessments that I want to import into one of my learning management systems. In this case, I named it HS4 Final, and it's .htm, which is an HTML type of file. The next step is simply go to your Google Classroom class, and then you will see here, this is my class stream. I want to go to classwork, and I want to either do one of two things. I'm going to either create an assignment or a quiz assignment. If you select quiz assignment, the Google Classroom is automatically going to populate the Google Forms down here. And all you have to do is simply delete that. I've already created an assignment or a quiz, and I called it Final Exam. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Of course, up here is the title. I've included some instructions, and here is the file that the students will access. Let's take a closer look. These instructions right here are very important to the student, especially the first three, in how to access the assessment that's listed below. What I'm going to do is go through the steps and show you how I got this file attached to this particular assignment or quiz assignment. So I'm going to delete that for now. You want to click on the Add button. As you can see, there's a little paper clip, which means I'm going to add an attachment. I'm going to go to File, find it on my computer, and I can either drag the files here or select the file from the device. I like dragging and dropping. So I'm going to select this file and drag it here. The next step is simply click Upload. And you will see that the file has been uploaded. Now this is where some will make a mistake. If they just simply try to click on this link, it's not going to work. This is why these instructions are vitally important to follow. You may want to pause the video at this moment to write these down. So the first thing the student is going to do is they're going to right-click on the link. Then they're going to select Open Link in New Tab. This is important. And you can see here it's been opened in the new tab. The next step is simply come up to the top right and click on the Download button. Now you will notice that I have a file downloaded. Simply click on that file And now you will see the students have a perfectly formatted assessment for them to take online. They will enter their name, if you require a student ID, and the email. And this is their email address. Once they take the assessment, all the way on the bottom, they will see grade and submit. When they click on that button, if you've selected the option for them to see their grade, they will see their grade and then it will be submitted to them. So once again, let me go over these important steps. They're going to right-click on the name of the test link below. They're going to click on the download option in the upper right. They're going to open the downloaded file to access the test and take it online. They will enter their information, take the test, and then submit the test by simply clicking on the Grade Submit button on the bottom left corner at the end of the test. So in this video tutorial, we saw how to export an assessment from ExamView and format it to import it into the Google Classroom. If you haven't checked out our afterschoolhelp.com resource, please do so. And once again, thanks for watching, and God bless.